Om Shri Sai Ram. Culture and heritage. Veda Patanam for Loka Kalyanam. All the occasions in our culture start with Veda chanting. Our Balvikas children continue this tradition by participating in Veda chanting. Sarvaroga Nivarini Gayatri. Repetition of God's name is the only means of liberation that is easily accessible to all. 1675 children and 1005 devotees participated in 108 times Sai Gayatri Nama Japam with Tandularchana. Samyak Kirtanam Sankirtanam. Around 500 children and adults had participated in 108 times Hanuman Chalisa Parayanam and Abhishekam. Matru Devo Bhava. Mother is the first guru and guide a child has. If our mother is satisfied with us, the whole world is satisfied. To understand this, we have children celebrate Matru Puja every year on May 6th, Ishwarama Day. Satya Sai Vratam. We hear, we forget. We do, we remember. So, children participate with their parents and gurus in the annual Satya Sai Vratam performed at Samitis and also at Shrivam. Atala Patala Balyam Bayanu. Learning and living values through entertainment is only possible in the Open University of Balvikas. Children listen to the values in the form of stories, enact, understand, implement, and thereby achieve the desired character. Sound body hosts sound mind. Only when health is taken care of, one can contemplate on God. So health checkups for Balvikas children and slum children are carried out at regular intervals. Celebrating festivals. Unity of all faiths and acceptance of all religions is the main concept of Balvikas. Krishna Janmashtami, Ramzan, Ganesh Chaturthi, Rakhi, national festivals. Manava Seva is Madhava Seva. Children are encouraged to participate in various service activities like blanket distribution, Narayana Seva, summer water camps, distribution of notebooks and stationery, visits to orphanages, etc. This will develop a social responsibility in the child at an early age to become a responsible citizen of the country. Holidays as holy days. Every year, summer camps in Indian culture and spirituality are organized all over the city for a period of 7 to 10 days. This will help children to know the rich cultural heritage of Bharat and also the necessary life skill to become a successful human being. Connecting lives the Sai way. Singing together acquires a divine power. Every year we have around 100 children presenting a musical tribute to Bhagwan, connecting lives the Sai way. Children also participate in Global Akhand Bhajan on 2nd Saturday and Sunday of November and also Bhajan workshops in holidays to imprint the name of the Lord in their minds. Grama Seva is Rama Seva. Sri Satya Sai Village Integrated Program. Balvikas children from city participated in Saraswati Homam along with the village kids in doing puja, keeping mehendi and also playing Batkamma. Field trip. The children who visited the village for the first time were surprised at the village's lives without electricity and water, but still are contented with what God had given them. Contentment was the lesson the children learned that day. Group 3 children and past Balvikas children often participate in these village activities. Festival of Joy and Truth. The Festival of Joy and Truth is a humble but a firm attempt of Sri Satya Sai Balvikas to regenerate the values in the society as well to sow the seeds of love in the young children of today who will be the torch bearers across the world in the years to come. Catch them young, mold them into good citizens, revive and spread the human values in young minds. The objective of the use of the word festival is not to bring in a competition in winning, but is to promote the values and at the same time recognize the inherent talents within the students which could be used to strengthen our value system in the future. Bala Vikas is Balala Vikas for Loka Vikas. Jai Sai Ram.